Starting with the iF2R, this compact mini floodlight is slim enough to fit in your pocket. It gives a powerful 180-degree flood capable of lighting up to 10 meters. It offers 2 flood modes to give a runtime of 3 hours on full and 6 hours on half power. There is also a spot beam for long distance capable of 50 meters, which will run for 4 hours. The aluminium design is robust yet lightweight, and there is a flip-out magnet that doubles as a hanging hook, which can even secure to your pocket for use as a right-angled torch. The iF2R is powered using lithium ion, and the battery status can be checked by simply holding down the switch, so you always know how much charge is available. Recharging is effortless thanks to the introduction of our magnetic charging leads. The iF2R is perfect for users who need great floodlight in a compact form.